Alright, so we got this piece unclamped that we glued up, probably been about 5 hours, 6 hours or so. We're gonna try to surface the top so we can make it level. So when we cut the other side, I'm gonna leave the side we're cutting rough material, and I'm gonna smooth out the bottom. I already went ahead and got my center point on the material I'm cutting. Pretty simple how you get your center point. Use a loop ruler, go corner to corner, draw a line, corner to corner, draw a line, get my center point. That way I can zero out this router. Using this surface bit here from Armada Tools. I get all my bits on Tools Today. The number for this bit is 45528. It's a 1 1/4 inch diameter surface bit. Works really well for all my projects, cuts smooth. I probably used it about a handful of times. It's still really sharp. So I got this set up. I'm going to cut about 0.03, so 3/100ths of an inch. Smaller the better. Keep more material on the product. Let me go ahead and set this up. Start cutting. We got the first surface thing done. It looks like kind of fucked up on the first initial pass. Must have been a little thicker on one side. When it came down, it might have had a too fast a plunge. Kind of shook a little bit. Went down the surface, kind of missed, and cut a little too low than I had thought. So I reset it. Had to reinitialize the machine, came back in the center to where I set it, redid it. Looks like it definitely moved the first time around, so I got a little unevenness here. What I'm going to do is just reset it, bring it back down on that 0.03 of an inch, and then we should be okay. Hopefully we're still in that 1 inch wood range I need for the material to be to cut the Gator, Florida Gator flag. So we'll see. We'll run it one more time. Hopefully that cleans it up, and then we'll flip it over. To work out pretty good, really smooth. My next step is going to be just to flip it over, verify that it's nice and level, and then we'll get to making our wavy flag with the Florida Gators logo. No wobbling, pretty flat, good to go. I'm going to just grab my calipers. Make sure we're still in that 1 inch range of thickness. If you don't have a set of digital calipers, I recommend you get some. They'll be your best friend when it comes to CNC routing. Fairly cheap. Got 101. 101. .97, so a little bit different there, but we're still pretty good. We got one-on-one there. Looking about .98, .99. So we're pretty good. I think the project calls for about .97 max. So we're center point so we can zero out the bit so it knows where it's going. To secure this down, I usually use a pin nailer. I put a little extra material. I'll just pin nail the corners, make sure it's nice and straight. So this is going to be our basic. The design here, it's the flag, the Gator logo. You can see our 3D simulation. Preview all the tool paths. It's basically what the machine's going to do in the sequence it's going to do it in. And that's our design we're going to go for. Save the file, upload it, connect to the cutter. Initialize the machine. We're gonna do rough cutting on one port shape down end mill. I got this on Amazon, which kind of a cheap end mill. It's kind of it seems okay. Setters, entered into the router, apps, tool, the head. Don't have to jog the router, simple. Bring it center point, and hit the 0, X, Y, and Z. Need to get a controller, a little easier. I eye this out. There is a tool to make this easier. I have not seen just that tool yet. Since I leave a little more material on, and I need. It seems to be okay. We'll touch it on. Get a close-up shot of that. You can kind of see it's pretty dead center there. I like it, so I'm gonna zero that out. Go to set 0 on the computer here. 0x, 0y. Be done there. We come back to the machine. It's kind of scraping on top of the wood, so I'm gonna zero that out as well. Set my 0. Now everything's 0 out, so it knows where to go basically. That's our center point. I'm just gonna use that point to cut those material. Go to run. Go to load file. Got it set up, floater Gator flag. Alright, we got quite a bit of run time, as you can see. Rough cut's going to take about 3 hours. The 202. That's going to be the 1/4 inch ball nose. That's going to take about 4 hours. And then the initial final cut with the 1/8 inch ball nose says about 23 hours. I can probably try to cut that down. I hope. Start job. Bit over the bit setter. It's going to ask me what tool change out. I already did that when I zeroed this thing out, so it was try to slip this vacuum on. Set at about 18,000. I'm gonna stop, put the vacuum on here. Makes a mess if you do not use the vacuum. Sometimes it will jam up my wheels here and it'll fuck the machine all up. I've had it happen a bunch of times, so I do not recommend running one of these machines without a vacuum, especially the Shipoko. Maybe some of the heavy duty machines you can get away with. I have not had good luck. A lot of swearing, a lot of firewood. It sucks. So we're gonna run this. It's gonna take about 4 hours to do rough cut, and then see how it looks. Back again. We are finished with our roughing toolpath for this wavy Gator logo flag we're doing. Next step would be a finished toolpath. We're going to do this in 2 finished toolpaths for the reason of being it's going to be faster than just doing the initial one with the 1/8 bit. I'm going to do the first one with the Nomad Tools 1/4 inch ball nose. It's number 202 from Carbide Create. If anybody's interested in purchasing this, it's actually the one that came with my Shipoko Pro. Works pretty well. It's going to do the flag, the stripes a little faster. Because if I don't do that, it's something like almost 90 hours or something. So this is gonna cut it in half. This will take care of all the stripes, and then I'll go back over with a 1/8 ball nose to do the logo and to kind of get more detail out of the stars. So I'm gonna change out the bits for this ball nose, and we'll get started on that. And hopefully in 3 to 4 hours, the first finished task will be done. Switch over to the second bit, and that'll finish it off.